just stand. Walk like your life depends on it, because it does. Studies have shown that when we sit, the body changes to make more fat. That even just standing, the body changes to make muscle. Muscle works better. Muscle has a whole different metabolism than fat. Standing makes muscle and makes the body stronger. So just stand. Keep that philosophy in mind. Instead of sitting, just stand. It makes you healthier. Moving changes your whole body chemistry. Everything works better when we move. Moving builds more muscle, which burns more calories than fat. Moving strengthens the heart muscle and improves circulation to avoid cardiovascular disease. Moving improves insulin sensitivity and may decrease the risk for insulin-resistant diabetes. Standing and moving strengthens bone and decreases bone loss. Moving can improve the neuron sensitivity in our brain and help our memory and alertness. Moving increases endorphins, the feel-good hormones, which improves our immune system and may decrease risk for cancers. Moving is #1 importance for a good, long, healthy life. So walk like your life depends on it, because it does. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so I can help you with your weight loss journey. And share with your family and friends to teach everyone weight education. Go to onoffdieting.com, free video session 11, for a free printable download of funner size suggestions. You can order Walk Like Your Life Depends on It or Just Stand t-shirts for yourself or groups to promote a healthy lifestyle. You can get a complete, free video series on weight loss and nutrition and emotional eating on the website onoffdieting.com.